we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're delving into the inspiring backyard playhouse design ideas to create a magical outdoor haven for your kids filled with joy and imagination. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of creating a magical outdoor haven for your children? A backyard playhouse can be more than just a place to play. It's a world of imagination and adventure. In this video, we'll explore the endless possibilities of backyard playhouse design, from classic styles to modern marvels. Let's dive into the world of play and discover how to create a truly special space for your little ones. When it comes to backyard playhouses, there's a wide range of styles to choose from. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden playhouse, a whimsical treehouse, or a modern contemporary design, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Here are some of the popular backyard playhouse designs. 1. Classic wooden playhouse. A timeless and versatile option, perfect for classic-style homes. 2. Modern contemporary playhouse. Sleek and stylish, incorporating contemporary design elements. 3. Rustic cabin playhouse. A cozy and inviting space with a rustic charm. 4. Treehouse playhouse. A whimsical and adventurous option for kids who love climbing. 5. Pirate ship playhouse. A fun and imaginative design for kids who dream of sailing the 7 seas. 6. Castle playhouse. A magical and enchanting space for little princesses and princes. 7. Victorian playhouse. Elegant and detailed, reminiscent of Victorian architecture. 8. Playhouse with slide. A popular choice for kids who love slides and active play. 9. Playhouse with swing set. A versatile option that combines playhouse fun with swinging. 10. Custom playhouse. Create a truly unique and personalized playhouse that reflects your child's interests. By considering your child's preferences and the overall style of your backyard, you can choose the perfect playhouse design to bring their imagination to life. Next, let's talk about what are the key factors to consider when designing a backyard playhouse. Designing a backyard playhouse involves several key factors to ensure it's both functional and enjoyable for your child. Here are some important considerations. First, safety. Prioritize safety by using high-quality materials, sturdy construction, and age-appropriate features. Second, space. Consider the available space in your backyard and choose a playhouse size that fits comfortably. Third, budget. Determine your budget and explore different materials and design options within your financial constraints. Fourth, child's age and interests. Tailor the playhouse design to your child's age and interests to ensure they enjoy playing in it. Fifth, accessibility. Ensure the playhouse is easily accessible from all sides and has safe entry points. Sixth, maintenance. Choose materials and a design that require minimal maintenance to keep the playhouse looking its best. Seventh, local building codes. Check local building codes and regulations to ensure compliance when constructing the playhouse. Eighth, environmental impact. Consider environmentally friendly materials and practices when designing and building the playhouse. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a backyard playhouse that is both safe, fun, and enjoyable for your child. To make your backyard playhouse truly special, consider adding unique features and amenities that will enhance your child's playtime experience. Here are some ideas. 1. Kitchenette. A miniature kitchen with a sink, stove, and cabinets can inspire imaginative play. 2. Bedroom. A cozy bedroom with a bed and curtains can provide a private retreat. 3. Bathroom. A small bathroom with a toilet and sink can add a touch of realism. 4. Porch or balcony. A porch or balcony offers a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. 5. Slide or swing set. Add a slide or swing set to encourage active play. 6. Climbing wall or rope ladder. Challenge your child's physical abilities with a climbing wall or rope ladder. 7. Sandbox. A sandbox is a classic play feature that provides endless fun for kids. 8. Outdoor playhouse theater. Create a stage and seating area for imaginative performances. 9. Reading nook. A quiet corner with comfortable seating and books is perfect for relaxing and reading. 10. Outdoor play kitchen. An outdoor play kitchen with a grill and cooking utensils can inspire culinary adventures. By incorporating these unique features, you can create a backyard playhouse that is truly one of a kind and provides endless hours of enjoyment for your child. A backyard playhouse is a wonderful addition to any home, providing a magical outdoor haven for your children. By considering the different types of playhouses, key factors to consider, and unique features to add, you can create a truly special space that will inspire your child's imagination and creativity. Ready to start designing your dream backyard playhouse? Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration and tutorials. Subscribe now for exclusive content and stay up to date with the latest trends in backyard playhouse design. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.